सुना है क्या? Hey beautiful people, I hope you all are having a fabulous day. Well, day तो fabulous होना ही है क्योंकि कल 17 साल बाद इंडिया ने T20 वर्ल्ड कप जो जीता है 140 करोड़ इंडियंस के सपने को पूरा किया है टीम इंडिया ने। कल इंडिया ने साउथ अफ्रीका को 7 रन से हराया है, पर एक वक्त था जब लगा था कि शायद इस साल इंडिया के हाथ से वर्ल्ड कप छूट जाएगा, जब हेनरिच क्लासन ने एक ओवर में 24 रन्स बनाए। आज मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ और आज सिर्फ बात करूंगी वर्ल्ड कप के बारे में। आज इंडिया का जीत सेलिब्रेट करेंगे। देखिए, प्रफुल्ल बिल्लौर यानी MBA चायवाला के जो CEO है, इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर का अवार्ड मिलना चाहिए उन्हें, ये सब कह रहे हैं। दरअसल प्रफुल्ल जी जब भी कुछ बोलते हैं होता है उसका एकदम ऑपोजिट, और इसलिए उन्हें पनौती भी कहा जाता है। वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल्स के आगे प्रफुल्ल जी ने हर एक ट्वीट में अपना फोटो साउथ अफ्रीका टीम के साथ क्रॉप करके लगाया था और लिखा था आई सपोर्ट साउथ अफ्रीका। ये बात प्रफुल्ल जी को भी पता है कि वो जो भी कहते हैं उसका उल्टा होता है। सो डीप विद इन हिज हार्ट ही वांटेड इंडिया टू विन द वर्ल्ड कप 2024 और इसलिए वो ऑपोजिट टीम को सपोर्ट कर रहे थे। और देखिए, टीम इंडिया कल जीत हासिल करती है। प्रफुल्ल भाई के इतने मीम्स बन रहे हैं कल से, लाइक यू कैन सी। और कल टीम के जीतने के बाद उन्होंने ट्वीट किया, मिशन सक्सेसफुल, नेक्स्ट नेशनल ड्यूटी आई एम अप। इसी के साथ मीमर्स जय शाह को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट कर रहे हैं अच्छा स्क्रिप्ट लिखने के लिए। एक्चुअली जय शाह ने वर्ल्ड कप शुरू होने से पहले कहा था T20 वर्ल्ड कप 2024 मैच इंडिया जीतेगा रोहित शर्मा के कैप्टनसी में, और कल यही हुआ। नॉट ओनली दैट, विराट कोहली को मिला प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच अवार्ड, और विराट कोहली ने कल अनाउंस किया उनका T20I से रिटायरमेंट। सुनिए उन्होंने क्या कहा।
Let the emotion run, Virat. What does this mean to you?
Well, this was my last T20 World Cup, and this is exactly what we wanted to achieve. This is an amazing game. I was telling Rohit today when we went out to bat, I was like, one day you feel like you can't get a run, and then you come out and then things happen. God is great. I bow my head in gratitude. I'm just really grateful I was able to get the job done for the team on the day that it mattered the most.
It was a different Virat Kohli we saw today, the Virat Kohli we've seen all these years. What prompted that change in you?
Well, just the occasion. It was now or never kind of a situation. I knew this is my last T20 game playing for India. It's the last World Cup that I was going to play. So I wanted to make the most of it. And this was our aim. We wanted to win an ICC tournament. We wanted to lift the cup. And as I said, it was the occasion that helped me to put my head down and just respect the situation rather than trying to force things out there, and just really play the game that my team wanted me to play.
Have you just made an announcement, Virat, about T20 internationals?
Yes, I have. This was an open secret. It was not something that I was not going to announce even if we had lost. This was going to be my last T20 World Cup playing for India. It's time for the next generation to take over. 2-year cycle. There's some amazing players playing in India, and they're going to take the team forward in the 2020 format and do wonders as we've seen them do in the IPL. And I have no doubts that they'll keep the flag waving high and, you know, really take this team further from here now.
In 2011, you said it's time to carry someone on the shoulders because he's carried India for so long. Time to carry you on the shoulders maybe for this.
No, I don't think so. I mean, look, it's been a long wait for us. You know, just waiting to win an ICC tournament. And it's not just me alone. You look at someone like Rohit as well. He's played 9 T20 World Cups. This is my 6th. So he deserves it as much as anyone else in the squad. So we're just happy we were able to get the job done. And really, it's hard to explain, you know, the emotions I felt after the game. I knew what kind of mindset I was in. I wasn't very confident in the last few games. I wasn't feeling really good out there. But when God has to bless you with something, He shows you in ways that you can't imagine. That's why I said I'm really grateful and humbled right now, and I bow my head.
Well done, Virat. The world sees you as a very tough human being. It's revealing to see this side to you today.
It's been difficult, and hence the emotions of how the game went as well, where we came back from, the kind of character the guys showed. It's really difficult to hold things back. I think it's going to sink in a little later, and the emotions are going to come to the surface a little later more, but it's just an amazing day. I couldn't be more thankful. I couldn't be.
If it is indeed the last one, you go with your head held high as you always do. Well done, Virat Kohli.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Harsha.
कल मैच जीतने के बाद रोहित शर्मा ने पिच से मिट्टी उठा के खाया एज अ साइन ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड। रोहित शर्मा ने भी अपना रिटायरमेंट अनाउंस किया T20 आईज से। बहुत इमोशनल हुए रोहित, और सुनिए मैच जीतने के बाद उन्होंने क्या कहा।
My last game as well. Honestly, I have enjoyed since the time I started playing this format, and nothing better time to say goodbye to this format. I have loved every moment of this. I started my India career playing this format, and this is what I wanted. I wanted to win the cup and say.
अब सब यही कह रहे हैं कि इन सर्च ऑफ द कप वी लॉस्ट 2 डायमंड्स एंड दैट्स सो वेरी ट्रू। जसप्रीत बुमराह बने प्लेयर ऑफ द सीरीज। सुनिए उनका कल क्या कहना था।
The MVP of the tournament, what a fantastic World Cup and India's first World Cup in 13 years. How is it all feeling?
You know, it's not really sinking because, you know, midway through the innings, you know, we were confident, but how it was going, we were a little nervous. But yeah, I'm really happy to get a win like this. And, you know, it has been a great tournament. Obviously, as you know, Angad is also here. He's seen his father win the World Cup. There's no better feeling. And to contribute in a tournament like this, there's no better feeling than that.
To be able to do this unbeaten, a word on India's campaign and how amazing it's been playing with this group of players.
Absolutely exceptional. You know, all praises come short. The way we've played, we've held our calm with the expectations and we've stick to our processes. And, you know, even in the last stages where it seemed a little gleam, we did not panic. So, yeah, words fall short.
Those last few overs, it looked like it could go either way, but then between you and Arshdeep and Hardik Pandya, you all just pulled it together. What's it been like bowling with this unit, especially in games like these?
It's been really good. You know, all of them are so confident, and the variety that they bring and the confidence that they have to execute it on the big stage, that's brilliant to see. And yeah, there's no better feeling than this.
Thank you so much for talking to us, Jaspreet. All the best for the...
नॉट ओनली दिस, कल हार्दिक ने अपने इंस्टा में एक वीडियो पोस्ट किया है जो आप देख सकते हैं, और मेंशन किया है वहाँ, जस्ट अ बॉय फ्रॉम बड़ौदा लिविंग हिज ड्रीम्स एंड ग्रेटफुल फॉर एवरीथिंग दैट इज कम हिज वे। Well, you search any Insta, any Twitter profile today, any video on YouTube today, आज सब जश्न मना रहे हैं इस जीत की। जितना भी बात करूँ इस मैच को लेकर उतना ही कम है। That one breathtaking catch of Surya Kumar changed the total game. Have a look.
Wide, Muller gets it, and he gets plenty of it, does he? No! What a catch! Oh my God! I don't believe what I've just seen. Athleticism at its very, very best.
You practice over and over again these days. A low full toss, Miller's eyes would have lit up. He would have thought, I've got enough on it. But it's not to be. Simply brilliant from Surya.
और इसी कैच के लिए उनको जय शाह ने क्या अवार्ड दिया, प्लीज देखिए।
We talk about raising to the occasion in big games. Today, we just didn't rise, but we conquered today. The intensity, the camaraderie, the resilience, what we have shown today, and also throughout the tournament, were nothing short of extraordinary stuff. Like a pack of wolves, well, Rahul Bhai and Rohit keep saying, everybody knew their role, but together, we hunted every opportunity which came our way, leaving no stone unturned. Today, to give away the medal, I have an honor, really, to introduce an esteemed leader who made quite a few contributions to Indian cricket and made it remarkable. And it's my privilege to welcome Jai Shah, sir. Sir, your presence is truly appreciated. It's Surya Kumar Yadav.
Thank you so much, Dilip sir, for giving me this opportunity and collecting this medal from Jay sir. And
Well done, everyone!
जाते जाते सूर्य कुमार का ये पोस्ट देख लीजिए, लिखा है इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ गुड नाइट स्लीप। तो आज के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन स्टे फैबुलस, स्टे इन्फॉर्म्ड विद सुना है क्या।